¿Has visto el KL de la entrada? Está rojo, rojo, rojo. No, yo. No. No. Arigato.
No, because we started to use still brown ones.
Do you know where it is?
I know. I don't know.
The one I gave you this morning?
I put here. But I don't know. Maybe Antonio, ¿tú tienes el cepillo de nylon helicoidal?
No.
¿Cuando cepillaste el arce de la roca?
No.
I don't know.
¿El helicoidal no? Pues el de metal que está aquí.
¿Qué has dicho?
Y sí he visto videos de que hemos trabajado.
A mí me suena más de la revista.
No, pero sí tiene un par de videos con Milay, ¿no?
Claro. Trabajando una salida.
Le preguntamos si quieren aparecer en un canal de YouTube de verdad y no de aficionado.
Mira, le digo esto que si se presta. No, es que esto está muy ocupado con el borrego, ¿no?
Oh, estoy súper contento con la compra que he hecho, Dios mío de mi vida. Ahora para que se me muera. Estoy súper contento con la compra del pino ese.
Y sí.
Diré que sí fui. Que yo te dije que sí fui, ¿no?
Con una latita igual estoy bien.
¿Qué?
Que con una latita de agradecimiento estoy bien igual. De cerveza.
Vale.
¿Lo conseguiste?
Bueno, y ahora la pregunta, ¿por qué en ese preciso instante? ¿Lo notaste que estaba perceptivo?
Sí.
¿Receptivo? Yo es que no diferencio muy bien cuando está cabreado de cuando está cansado de cuando está contento. Bueno, cuando está contento sí se nota. Porque está bromista, risueño.
Sí.
Oh, qué calorcito en la espalda. ¿Has roto un
No,
cristal?
que miré así 2 segundos y que tal.
Te debo un heladito.
Bueno.
Gelato di chocolate.
Hablando de helado, también lo tengo en el freezer.
Oye, ¿sacó Yakata el jamón del frigorífico o sigue ahí?
No lo vi, porque abrí el freezer.
Coño, ya no está.
Yo lo metí en el cajón de las verduras.
Sí, güey, pero por tu pinche lugar, güey, más público. Lo metí en la parte de atrás del refrigerador.
¿Qué te iba el control?
Al lado del compresor.
Qué de gente hoy, ¿no? Ahora como es sábado. ¿Cuándo es el día del club?
Hi. So how are you guys today?
Hey, how's it?
Good. Good?
Good, yeah. How was the hunting?
Good.
Good.
Oh, one little doyo. That's only all. But Goyo was grafted onto black pine.
Oh yeah.
That's the only
yes.
one that's any good for Europe.
Really?
Goyo on their own roots, it's too wet, too cold.
Yeah. Well,
Unless you
Goyo,
kind of can
no.
keep it out of the wet.
But do you sell bonsai or
Really?
you're
No.
just collecting it?
Just collect,
Oh,
just
yeah.
crazy hobbyist.
Crazy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many bonsai do you have, or like how do you like?
I have I've probably got 60 what you would call bonsai. I mean, they're
Good ones.
good ones you can put in exhibition,
Yeah.
and probably 10 or 20 pieces of
Really good ones.
material. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
So we exhibited at Tofu
Oh,
this
really?
year. Yeah,
Ah, yeah.
I'm sure you see it. It's just a little momiji.
That's more momiji, yes, in the blue box.
In the blue
Ah,
pot.
it's the
It
one-
wasn't in that blue pot. It was
Oh,
in
okay.
antique
Is it a Trahi?
Tiger rented antique Chinese
Ah,
pot.
yes.
And it had a little
I know that tree.
and it had little black pine.
Yeah, yeah.
So my corner of that
Like a little
tree.
kind of
It's only
suntan.
Shahin, Chuhin.
Yeah, I've
bonsai.
got my biggest tree is probably 1 metre, Yamamoji.
Oh, yeah.
But now I'm getting older. My shoulders, I've had surgery,
Yeah.
so I can't manage bigger trees now, or the two of us can't.
Yeah.
So as we kind of sell and maybe go Chuhin, yeah, Chuhin
Really,
Shogun now.
really
more.
nice. Well, maybe one day I have a good
What's
collection.
Fuji? So Fuji was good because we left and we went straight to Fuji no Miya to the World Heritage Centre. Most amazing building.
Right.
It's only 2-3 years old. They've made the building look like this, so upside down Fuji, and it sits in a man-made lake, but only this deep.
Really?
So you get the reflection of Mount Fuji in the lake, and the reflection of the building. And they've also in the lake they've made a big red torii,
Ah.
so that reflects.
Very nice.
And inside the building, there's a little cafe downstairs, but you walk in a spiral up the inside, and there's 4K high definition projectors all the way, and it is like walking up. So you start low down, then you come through the forest,
Really?
then you go through the clouds, and there's sound, and
Oh, that's nice.
really good
Did
experience.
you take pictures?
Yeah, I took pictures from the top. You want to see?
Yeah, of course.
Inside, amazing place. And we arrived at probably 3-ish, and we said, let's stay until sunset.
Yes, because now it's...
Yeah, there wasn't enough time. It shuts at 5, so.
There's a place in Tokyo that I want to go. There's like a light museum, something like that. I read about it. You know it?
No.
It's only
think so.
only made of lights,
Like the
hanging lights, on like LED
Really?
lights. Everything is only
the Tokyo Art Museum, I
I think so, but it's like a special
think.
place.
Exhibition, yeah.
No, it's like
It's a permanent.
it's a different building.
So this is the building.
Wow.
This was just as we were leaving.
It's interesting.
So you have the reflection. Yeah, and this is like a wood, like a web
Really?
structure on the outside. Yeah.
This is the Fuji mountain when you see it. Now I
Yeah.
understand.
So this is kind of, I'm looking at it from the side. Fuji is this way. And that was kind of just from. There's a big torii as well by that. Fuji no Miya.
Fuji no Miya.
藤の目は藤の目は藤の目って言った。
Mate, this was just as we were leaving.
It's very busy.
So at sunset.
この富士山応援だと富士宮スタジアムから。
Hi.
Really?
Really?
Then you have the
Hello.
and Taiga-san very strong.
Good view. This water is maybe only this deep, very shallow. So a little, many, too many. This is on the viewing platform. This is Rita looking out.
ダグさんのおすすめの機内だと。
This is like the viewing platform.
Oh, that's
So
very
it's
nice.
like a sliding door you sit on inside. I just kind of The floor is quite shiny. It
But
almost looks
now,
like
what I can
water.
see it is like, it's very interesting. And that's art for me. It's not
Yeah.
just architecture.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful piece of architecture. So you can see we started at 3 o'clock and stayed till.
And it's a very good thing that you see it. Last
Yes.
year, I spent 1 month here. It was
You didn't see
only
it?
possible to see it one day.
Oh, really?
Really, only one day.
I don't know how many. Every morning now we wake up.
That's really nice.
That's when we first arrived.
That's very nice.
Very nice.
That's when we
The-
first
the
arrived.
cloud is exactly in the right position.
And it slowly disappeared as the
Have
temperature
you been
dropped.
in Nihon Daira?
Yes,
It's-
of course.
That's also
And
very
down
good,
onto the
yeah.
beach.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's a very
With
good
all the
view.
Goya mats. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, we did. Tiger said to me, he said, where have you been today? Oh, I said, well, Neon Daira. We went down onto the beach. He said, that dirty old black beach. I said, well, I didn't go there to sunbathe. It was kind of for the view.
Yeah, the
And all
beach is
these-
also good. It's
Yeah.
also good.
Yeah, the view is fabulous.
Yeah.
And all these lovely old Goya mats just growing in volcanic sand.
Did you walk for the beach also?
Yes, yes, all the way along.
It was the strawberry vendors yet?
Oh no, not when I was there. No.
Because in the same road you
Yeah.
have a strawberry grower.
Really? Yeah, growers,
Started there to sell the strawberries in that place. I mean, when they grow, they sell.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
So I can recommend this if you get a few hours. It maybe takes 1 hour to go from here. And
Because it's not it's the same train that is going to Fuji station? Or you have
yes,
to go
I think
Fuji
it's the same
station?
one.
Okay.
I tend to be drawn more to sort of upright